Alright everybody, we'll make a short video here. Went to put my header on this side, and that front hole right there, the bolt wouldn't go in it. Found out that there was a broken off bolt in there flush. As you can see, my spark plug is broken. I'm not worried about that, but anyway, went to drill that out. My Matco Hyper Step drill bits, it drilled it out like it was nothing. Used my Snap-on Made in USA extractor, and it snapped off in there. And I used the biggest one I could. I know it's an Irwin rebrand, but still made me laugh that broke off. Went and got my Chinese Amazon $60 Ufalute carbide burrs. Literally, I used this one and the Milwaukee die grinder, and it took the broken extractor right out like it was nothing. And then I used this and Chinese drill bit again from Matco, which I love these, and drilled it out really nice. And all I gotta do now is retap the hole. Obviously it's gonna be a bigger hole than stock, but literally this thing here just had it out like it was nothing, and then this just drilled it out. So quick video on that. If you guys break off a, here's the hole. It looks bad because it's hard to get at, but I got it drilled out. That's what the hole should look like. That's what mine looks like. So that's what it is. But yeah. So I mean, literally, I took this round one here, the smallest round I had, and just chiseled away at it for maybe a minute, maybe if that. And then I got my drill bit out from Matco and my again Milwaukee M12 drill. And I had to sit down like this because I'm fat and lazy. And hold on, right here, I drilled it out right from here, and it's good enough. I can put a tap in there and tap the hole and call it a day. Thankfully, it's the easiest one to get at, right in the front. If that was the rear one, then you gotta pull the head off. So, but thanks for checking out the video. I'll talk to you guys later.